Hello. In a series of logic gate and logic families, this is the lecture number 4. In lecture number 4, we will study the De Morgan's theorem. This is the most important theorem used in digital technique. Now, first, what is the meaning of De Morgan's theorem? De Morgan's theorem, there are two types of De Morgan's theorem. First, De Morgan's theorem is that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. AB bar is the mathematical expression of NAND gate and A plus B is the OR gate. But here the complement, here is the individual complement. A having a complement and B having a complement B bar. So here I am taking as NAND gate is equal to bubbled. Complement is nothing but bubbled OR gate. Here A plus B is the OR gate, but here complement is denoted as the bubbled. So first De Morgan's theorem is that AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, and second De Morgan's theorem is that A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. A plus B bar is the mathematical expression of NOR gate. A plus B bar is the mathematical expression of NOR gate, and NOR gate A dot B is nothing but AND gate, but here the complement A bar is the complement, B bar is also B having a complement B bar. So here taken as NOR gate is equal to bubbled AND gate. Now we will see the meaning of AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar and meaning of A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar step by step. First one, AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Here the NAND gate is equal to bubbled OR gate. This theorem, this is the statement of the first De Morgan's theorem. This theorem states that complement of product, here the AB is the product and AB bar is the complement. So complement of a product is equal to addition of the complement. Complement of a product is equal to addition of the complement. So here taken as AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this one is your LHS side. LHS is nothing but left hand side. This is the LHS side and this one is the RHS side. So by using truth table we will prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Here I am taking A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is the symbol. This is the circuit diagram for A dot B bar. Circuit diagram of A dot B bar is the in between A dot B, here is the AND gate is present. So first one is the AND gate is present and AND gate applied to the inverter, then we get here the NAND gate. So we can write also in this fashion or in write also. This is the NAND gate. Here the A, this one is the B and here A dot B bar. Also we draw this diagram or we draw this diagram. Use both. Either use this diagram or either use this diagram. Here taking as here the two inputs. So how many variables? 4 variables are present. There is the 4 conditions 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. 2 variables having a 4 conditions 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what is the answer of A dot B? 0 multiply with 0. A dot B is nothing but your multiplication. 0 multiply with 0 0. 0 multiply with 1 0. 1 multiply with 0 0 and 1 multiply with 1 1. Now A dot B bar taking complement of this addition, this multiplication. So A dot B bar is equal to 0 is converted into 1. This 0 is converted into 1. 0 is converted into 1 and 1 is converted into 0. So final answer is A dot B bar having a entries are 1 1 1 0. Now similarly at the right hand side is the A bar plus B bar. Taken A converted into A bar For that purpose, here taken as the inverter. Here taken as the inverter. Also B is converted into B bar. They also used here the inverter or NOT gate. Then we get here A bar, B bar, and apply this A bar and B bar to OR gate. Then we get here the A bar plus B bar. So here the two inputs A and B. So entries are the 4 entries are present, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now taken as A bar is nothing but A is converted into A bar. So 0 0 is converted into 1 1 and this 1 1 converted into 0. Now taken as B bar. So this B is converted into B bar. 0 is converted into 1, 1 is converted into 0, 0 is converted into 1 and this 1 is converted into 0. Now taking addition of these two, A bar plus B bar. So 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1 and 0 plus 0. So at the right hand side, left hand side entries 1 1 1 0 and right hand side entries 1 1 1 0. So LHS is equal to RHS here, proving by using the truth table. Similarly, we can draw this diagram, or also at the right hand side we draw this diagram. This is the OR gate diagram. Here taken as the bubble, here also taken as this circle is indicated as the bubbled. So here is the A, here is the B and here taken as the A bar plus B bar. This is the diagram. Either we draw this diagram or either we draw this diagram is equal to this diagram. Now second De Morgan's theorem is that A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. A plus B bar is the mathematical expression of NOR gate and NOR gate is equal to bubbled AND gate. This theorem states that the complement of a addition, here the complement of a addition is equal to sum of complement. This theorem states that the complement of a addition is equal to sum of complement. So here I am taking as A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So here draw the symbol of NOR gate. This is the symbol of NOR gate. Here I am taking as A, here B, here draw here NOR gate. So here gate as the A plus B bar. A plus B bar. Also write this symbol or this symbol. Here taking as the OR gate, and this output of OR gate apply to the NOT gate. Then we get here the A plus B bar. These are some entries. Here two inputs are present. So how many conditions are present here? 4 conditions are present. Which one? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So A plus B is nothing but 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 and 1 plus 1 1. So final answer is the taken complement. So 0 is converted into 1 and these 3 ones are converted into 3 zeros. Now on the left hand side, on the right hand side, here taken this diagram, we draw either this diagram or this diagram. Here I am taking as NAND gate, AND gate, here taking as bubbled. This one is the here, this is A, this one is the B and here I am taking as A bar dot B bar. Here I am taking as A bar dot B bar. So this A is converted into A bar by using NOT gate, B is converted into B bar and here taking as A bar dot B bar. This one is the your final expression of this circuit diagram. So here the two inputs variables are present. Here is A, here is B. So how many conditions? 4 conditions, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So A bar entries are 0 0 are converted into 1 1, 0 0. Then 0 is converted into 1, this one is converted into 0, this 0 is converted into 1 and this one is converted into 0. Now final answer is the A bar dot B b bar. 1 multiply with 1, 1 multiply by 0, 0, 0 multiply by 1, 0, 0 multiply by 0, 0. So a plus b bar, a plus b complement this, and this is the similar diagram. These two conditions are similar. The two tables are equal. Therefore, the Boolean equations must be equal. Now, this is some proofs of Boolean laws using truth table. Here the first condition is a dot b plus c is equal to a multiply with b plus a multiply with c. There are how many entries? There is a how many? This is the three variables a, b, c. Three variables having a how many conditions? 8 conditions are present. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. These 8 entries are present here also. These are the 8 entries. Now first condition is the b plus c. So taken as b plus g. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Now similarly this bc, this one is the bc. This bc is multiplied with a. So answer is the 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 multiply with 0, 0, 0 multiply with 1. This 0 multiply by any term, answer is 0. This is the 1 multiply with 1, answer is 1. This 1 multiply with 1, answer is 1. This 1 multiply with 1, answer is 1. This is the LHS side. This is the LHS side and this one is the RHS side. This is the RHS side. This one is the RHS side. These two equations are same. Two equations having a entries are same. So LHS is equal to RHS. So here prove that a dot b plus c is equal to a dot b plus a dot c. Similarly, we also solve this example a plus bc is equal to a plus b dot a plus c by using, here is also three variables are present. Which one? A, B, C. So how many conditions are present here? 8 conditions are present. These are the 8 entries. This is the A, this one is the B, this one is the C. Then we taken as BC, after we taken as this, and there is a this 5 and 8 columns are taken, entries are same. And in this fashion a plus b dot c is equal to a plus b dot a plus c.